Okay, today is the last day, and we thank you very much for all participation from you. And yeah, we hope to meet again in the next time. And yeah, hope to see you again in other meeting or event. And today, yeah, we have 30 minutes for quiz, for two quiz. Yeah, and yeah, around that, maybe 25 to 30 minutes. And at one sote is the closing from our head department or department head, Dr. Warsa. Okay, yeah, that's right. Okay, and yeah, let us 1 week time to assess to evaluate your attendance and your quiz result. And next week we will give the notification about your note. Yeah, maybe you can pass this internal festival course or no. Yeah, so the decision will be given to you next week. And also a certificate of completion will be circulated next week if you fulfill the requirement to pass this event. So Harmita, time is yours now.
Okay, thank you, Pak Wahyudi. So we have the rules for this quiz. You only have one chance to fill out the quiz, and the time is only 15 minutes. And then we will continue to the next quiz, which is have the same rules as the first quiz. So now I will share the link, the chat box. So the time may be until what time now? You have, oh, okay. Yes, Pak Wahyudi, 30 minutes for two quiz. Yeah. So should I send this two link or one by one? Okay, I think I will send the next link. And also in this room, there is Bapak Dr. Indra Gunawan, lecturer from Bandung Institute of Technology and also the Committee of IPC. Bapak Dr. Indra, if you have something to say, maybe an announcement, please, time is yours. And also welcome Bapak Dr. Warsa, Head of Geophysical Engineering Department, Bandung Institute of Technology. Thank you for joining us in this room. So we are waiting for Bapak Dr. Indra. I think there is some announcement to all participants.
Okay, thank you, Harmita. I'm sorry, my connection is not very good this afternoon. So separately, I kicked out by the system. And maybe today I want to say thank you very much for the participants that attend for this IVC from the beginning until this day. And we will doing recapitulation for the progress on this IVC, and for the future announcement we will get touch with you by the email, I think. Okay, maybe that's all that I can say for today. Thank you, Ms. Harmita.
Okay, thank you, Pak Indra, for the speech. And Pak Wahyudi, I think now we can close this IVC by Bapak Dr. Warsa, or you can say something before that, please.
Okay, yeah. As a chairman of this international virtual course, I thank you very much for all participants. And on behalf of the IVC committee, we thank you very much for your participation and apologize for any shortcomings and mistakes. And hopefully we can meet again at another event. And about the result of your participation, we will announce it next week. So I think that's all. And yeah, this is the last day for our course, and hopefully we can meet again in another event. Okay, Harmita.
Okay, thank you, Bapak Dr. Wahyudi, for the speech. And now, Bapak Dr. Warsa, I invite you to give a speech and also to officially close this international virtual course. So, Bapak Dr. Warsa, the time is yours.
Okay, thank you, Ms. Harmita, Mr. Chairman, Pak Wahyudi, and also Pak Indra. Yeah, ladies and gentlemen, the Honorable Mr. and Mrs. Participants, yeah, especially our IVC students. Good afternoon, selamat siang. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. So, yeah, first of all, I would like to say all praise and thanks be to God. We have run smoothly and successfully an IVC with the topic of geophysics for engineering and environment, from theory to practical applications. This IVC is a part and also implementation of the Merdeka Belajar Kampus Merdeka, MBKM, or Freedom to Learn, Freedom Campus, and also as a part of program Kompetisi Kampus Merdeka, PKKM. This is a program formulated by the Ministry of Education and Culture of the Republic of Indonesia, Kemendikbud. Congratulations to all participants and especially for organizer. Let me thank Pak Wahyudi as a chairman and also organizer for giving me this role of speaking on behalf of the participant in this closing remarks of our IVC TGITB. It is indeed an honor for me in my capacity as head of Geophysical Engineering Study Program. This event has been hosted in Bandung and has been held in virtual form due to the COVID-19 pandemic. along with a wonderful collaboration between Laboratory of Environmental and Engineering Geophysics. Pak Wahyudi is also as a head of this laboratory. We have conducted what we hope will be a course to be remembered for many years to come. And I do hope this virtual course will be an interesting experiment, also experience. We hope that the use of the virtual conference technology will pave the way for different types of future courses that can integrate physical and virtual, giving wider opportunities to those who would find it normally difficult to attend in person. I'd like to again to thank Pak Wahyudi as chairman this IVC and also as head of EEG, Environmental and Engineering Geophysics Laboratory and team for organizing this event. Many thanks also, of course, for lecturers of this virtual course. Begin Pak Profesor Joko Santoso, Pak Dahrata Dahrin, and also lecturer from ITB, Associate Professor Chun Xiangko from National Central University, Taiwan, Professor Josaphat Tetuko from Chiba University, Professor Dr. Insinyur Eko Winar Irianto from Kementerian PUPR, and many more cannot be mentioned one by one. Faculty staffs who could realize this event, all participants, especially students and attendees. I sincerely hope you have enjoyed attending this international virtual course and networking. And as the head of Geophysical Engineering Study Program, I officially close this IVC. May we always healthy and successful. Thank you very much. Good afternoon. Selamat siang. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Thank you very much, Bapak Dr. Warsa, for officially close this IVC. And the next session is the photo session. So I invite all the participants to turn on the camera. And we are going to the virtual photo session. Thank you very much for all the participants who attended this IVC. We hope our knowledge is already increased throughout all the lecture we have attended. So please turn on your camera. Okay. I will start to capture the screen. Please keep your smile. 1, 2, 3. The next slide. 1, 2, 3. The next slide. 1, 2, 3. The last one. 1, 2, 3. Okay. Thank you, everyone. And thank you, Bapak Dr. Warsa, Bapak Dr. Wahyudi, and Bapak Dr. Indra. Also to all participants. See you in the next event. Stay safe and healthy.
Okay, thank you very much for all. Thank you very much,
Oke,
Pak
thank you very much. Ya, terima kasih banyak semuanya. Ya.
Oke, semua. Terima kasih banyak untuk panitia. Oke, ya. Saya end meeting sekarang.